need these, man. My guy's over here about to cash out again. Definitely need this for summertime. We're trying some sneakers on, so need this Cosmic Cruiser sleeveless. This is a size small, I believe, or extra small, because it runs so oversized. And I love the graphic. It's so cool. These are so crazy. Look at this. Love this. She don't want me to be filming her right now, but you know. Oh. Yeah, cheers, man, at least. Hello. How are you? You going on a sample sale?
Sure.
What are you gonna go shop for?
Just some basic pieces, some wardrobe NYC.
Okay.
See what they got going on.
All right.
I'll get some B-roll for you guys. Actually, I'll do my blessed vlogger impression.
Yeah, there we go. Wanted to discreetly film as much of the Canal Street bootlegging as I can for you guys, because heading back from visiting my friends, and I found it crazy just how many people are outside bootlegging and selling bootlegs and fake knockoff designer items now. Like before in Canal Street, you would walk like on each block in Canal, there'd probably be like maybe 2 or 3 people selling fakes. But now like the whole streets are covered, and you'll see it in the like quick footage that I tried to discreetly get, that it's just like so much, and it's crazy to like, even for me who's seen it, like growing up going downtown to Soho and walking on the streets in Canal, seeing it increasingly like fill up the blocks now is just like crazy. So I'm gonna roll the footage so you guys can just see quickly like how much fake bootlegs are out there and get sold on Canal Street. So
Damn. Is that possible? She takes everything?
she's taking it all. She's taking all the money.
If I shoot her now, I'll get the money back, and then the guards will shoot me.
Oh, busting it open. Oh. Birthday festivities. Birthday girl. Oh.
You don't like calamari?
I think that's...
When I worked at the restaurant, I had to have a food handling license. Me too. Yeah. That class is... Don't put all the vegetables, because I don't think it's all. Sorry. None of this will work, right?
Alright guys, so we're gonna go try these Palazzos on. I'm gonna show you briefly how they fit with this outfit. I'm loving them. I've been living in these things non-stop for a couple days. Got the new memory card, so the quality should improve. So I apologize for the iPhone footage, but we gotta make do how we can. Let me go get some B-roll of how these Palazzo pants from Zara fit, so you guys can see just how comfy they are and how versatile. Just to touch a little bit more on the Palazzo pants and how I've been styling them and why I got them. I wanted to try something new, and I wanted to experiment with a style that I really haven't jumped into fully and just like embraced. And the Palazzo pants I have seen for quite some time. So for a while, I really wanted to try a really baggy trouser. And with my body shape, sometimes going really, really baggy doesn't really complement, doesn't really go with a lot of the pieces that I tend to wear. I tend to gravitate towards more slimmer silhouettes because I feel like it complements my body a lot more. I did want to try something really, really loose. I feel like it's very boho, it's very leisure, and I do like to experiment, and I do like that look. For a long time, I did want to try it. So when I found these Zara pants, these women's Palazzo pants, the fabric's amazing. You could see in the clips, like the fabric just drapes perfectly. It's a really amazing weight. It's a viscose polyester blend, but in no way, shape, or form do they feel or appear cheap. As you guys can see, the fit is amazing for these Palazzo pants. They just feel good on, they look good on, they're comfortable, extremely, extremely comfortable. I can't stress that enough. And that's just something that I was looking for, and kind of reminiscent of that Teen Night Poem and that Cosmic Cruiser collection with Celine. It's like a comfort mix with a serious look, which was something that I wanted to achieve with the Palazzo pant. So mixing it with the Celine boot and like a teddy jacket to get a more serious outfit overall. And then I styled it a little bit more casually with like sneakers and Vans or Stan Smiths. Overall, I do recommend the Zara Palazzo pant, or just any nicely fitted and nicely hemmed Palazzo pant where it just falls and drapes perfectly. But I love these pants. I've been really, really enjoying them. Clearly, I've been living in them for like the last 2 weeks. And this is just such a vibe to just be able to like casually do this. Like, I love, you guys know that I love my skinny jeans, but it's not always that comfortable to just post up. Very chic look. Borrowed Amber's hat. Told you I was gonna start using it. St. Laurent cap is sick. Even with the trench coat, this would look really, really cool. And before I forget, this will be the official first piece of merch for the channel. The AR logo, if you guys haven't already noticed, it has been in the corner of all the videos. This is crafted in 3D printing, so it's really, really cool. You could hook it onto your bag, like I have it on my Celine backpack for a nice little pop. It's gonna come in an arrangement of different colors, so whichever one tickles your fancy, definitely pick one up to support. I appreciate all the support on the channel. So this is gonna be the first little merch that I do. So I will link it in the description box below, as well as everything else that I wore in the video, so it's easier for you guys to shop it. I appreciate all the support. And yeah, guys, I'm excited to launch a little bit of merch. And this is only just the beginning, so more to come. Hope you guys enjoyed the styling tip. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Tons of content coming next week. I have a spring haul. I've been silently picking up a bunch of pieces, and that's kind of like what's been delaying that video. A couple of pieces haven't arrived yet, but hopefully next week I could get that video out for you guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next vlog.